Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me POCO C50, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. So firstly, just open Play Store and find here Call Recorder Cube ACR application and install it. Then click Open, click Next, grant permissions while using the app, allow. Enable App Connector, choose Downloaded Apps, Cube ACR App Connector, and use Cube ACR. Click I'm aware, wait a while. Click OK, add Cube to Auto Start. Find here Cube ACR and click to enable. Go back, click OK, go read, choose no restrictions. OK, go read. No thanks. OK. Cross on the left corner and great. Now all your calls will be automatically recorded using Cube ACR application, but you need to know that this app, if you have no root access on your device, this app will pick up only sounds from your external microphone, and in this way only your voice will be recorded. And if you want to record your voice and the voice of your communication partner, you need to enable external speaker mode when calling. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.